we've got some sensors around the area that will measure the concentration of certain particles and particulates. And we've got this air quality index scale. I would say just focus on the color here because the numbers may be a little bit hard to interpret. But we've got a 165 for an air quality index in Lincoln. That's in that red category right here in the unhealthy range. So you'll want to limit your time outdoors this morning for just about anybody. 55 though in Grand Island, that's in this moderate range. Even Omaha in the moderate range. So in southeast Nebraska, in a narrow corridor from maybe Hebron, Fairbury, Beatrice up towards Lincoln, we're dealing with quite a bit of smoke, and you will certainly smell it. My lungs are feeling the effect of this right now. So yeah, it's out there, and it's going to stay with us for much of the day, although I do expect some degree of dispersal because things will start to heat up and the atmosphere will get turning over just a little bit more, and that'll start to mix things out just a bit. But this morning, it's just trapped right near ground level. Another thing to keep in mind today is we got red flag warnings in place from 1 o'clock through 8 o'clock tonight for pretty much all of central going into eastern Nebraska. Lincoln is on the far eastern edge of this. We will have very low relative humidities, especially during the afternoon. I mean, look at this, relative humidities in the teens. And on top of that, we've got a wind. This is a snapshot of what wind speeds might look like at 4 o'clock. You'll see the breeziest conditions in south central Nebraska, but it does extend closer to Lincoln. Just to the southeast of Lincoln, we don't have a red flag warning because it may not be breezy enough to warrant it, but still going to be dangerous as far as fire weather is concerned anyway, so outdoor burning, not a great idea today. Look at the haze over our Berry Law Tower Cam. Lots of sunshine though. In fact, the haze will probably scatter some more of the sunlight, making for a nice and pretty sunrise. We're also a little bit warmer this morning. 33 degrees in Lincoln, 35 in Beatrice, 30 in York, 37 in Grand Island, and 29 degrees in Kearney. We're looking at 43 by 9 o'clock, 56 by 11, and then into the 60s for the rest of the day. I think we should top out near 70 degrees. Now, a couple of spots could be in the upper 60s. The smoke may also have a slight cooling impact on our temperatures too, so upper 60s, close to 70 degrees today. 73 degrees on Saturday, and just a reminder, tomorrow it will be breezy and dry, so fire weather may be an issue on Saturday too. Easter Sunday, keeping the 70s around, but we should see some more cloud cover. Can't completely rule out an isolated shower on Easter. And then we dry out on Monday and continue the warming trend back into the 80s by the middle part of next week.